Hello everyone, my name is Sara Mursic. I'm from Edge Hill University in the UK, and today I'll tell you more about integration of augmented reality in your teaching and learning. Our first question today is how to teach digital natives. So we use textbooks while they use phones. We spend hours sharing factual knowledge while they already have it accessible on their phones through internet. We expect them then to learn and recite those facts, even if in a few years' time we'll have new, updated facts. Our ways of teaching and assessing knowledge are definitely obsolete. Unfortunately, my whole education, all 19 years of it, can now be replaced with just two words. Hey Alexa, what's the 32 Celsius in Fahrenheit? How do I spell hippopotamus? And why does a banana have more calories than an apple? So, no matter what you need, from apples to quantum physics, internet will know it. You only need to search for it. Just searching is not that easy. Navigating through this ever-growing box of information is a crucial skill. We all want our students to successfully manage these digital systems. We want them to find credible information and to stay safe. In other words, we want them to be digitally literate. That includes numerous functional and transferable skills, but all of them often end up on the end of our resume saying, I'm proficient in Microsoft Office package. Getting our students from there to handle an innovative technology like augmented reality, it seems like a big skills gap to cross. But in reality, it's more available than ever. It requires zero programming. It's absolutely free to use, and now it's available on any smartphone device. Digital literacy and technology is certainly fun, but why should you invest time into teaching it? Well, being able to use technology can drastically decrease the workload because we can delegate some tasks to computers and we can access information quicker. At the same time, job market is in desperate need for people who can create and manage the digital world that's rapidly developing around us. Together with effective communication, digital literacy is the only skill that appears on every single job ad on the market. Therefore, it's important for each and every student in our educational institutions. Yes, even students studying sport, because augmented reality is slowly becoming a part of our lives, every single segment of it. Some fields are quickly grasping the opportunities augmented reality offers and are expanding their work into new dimensions. The future of architecture and construction will almost certainly rely on virtual and augmented reality, while some other fields could change the way they present information. So, from books full of facts to this virtual interaction with objects. Language and literacy, that content is not very tangible or concrete, but that doesn't mean it can't be in a fourth dimension using augmented reality. Same goes for sciences, where we can bring the tiniest molecules on the palm of our hand or explore dangerous elements in a safe environment. Today, we can model Earth's surface and play with it in a sandbox. But we can also explore human body inside out and use it for practical purpose. That's all great, but how do we incorporate all that into our education? I would say faculties of education might know, right? So here's a short introduction into how augmented reality works in Edge Hill University. Like any other technology within our institution, we try to integrate new technologies one step at a time. This means that through this technology pathway, we lead our students from playing with technology, then learning with technology, to confidently creating it themselves. So the first step is in achieving that goal is to create opportunities for students to play and interact with various technology that we can afford. So they have a little playground where we will actually help to break that ice, remove any fears, and form positive attitudes toward technology. Second step on our pathway involves their everyday routines. We are trying to make our students' lives easier by integrating downloadable lecture materials on top of their calendars. We will demonstrate available features of augmented reality by making our materials interactive. For example, this assessment guidance example, it summarizes 6 pages of instructions by expanding each box with additional information. And students, as you can see, they love it. If you let your students play and learn with augmented reality, they will naturally come up with their own ideas of using it. Let them create their own augmented reality experiences and express themselves in creative ways. Instead of submitting their essays in a traditional paper version, they could embed it on a trigger image and print it on a paper cube. Or they can create a video of them explaining the content, which then comes to life when the trigger image is scanned. Something like those live portraits from Harry Potter movies, right? So if we connect several images, we can make a walk or a scavenger hunt filled with different stories. Possibilities are truly endless, so don't forget to explore every day and have fun with it. That's all from me for today, so if you need any further ideas of how to have fun with augmented reality, you can visit my webpage or you can contact me directly. I would be very happy to give you more ideas or answer any of your questions. Thank you very much.